Done, dear, writing 75?
Yeah.
Yeah, now explain me how to do it.
7 plus 5 equals 12. You give the 2 to the 5, and 7 plus 1 equals 8. So 825.
Good girl. Amazing. Next sum. Explain me.
5 plus 5 equals 10. You give the 0 to the 5, and 5 plus 1 equals 6. So 605.
Good. Next sum.
6 plus 9 equals 15. You give the 5 to the 9, and 6 plus 1 equals 7. So 759.
Good. Next sum.
2, wait.
20.
2 plus 8, 2 plus 8 equals 10. Give the 0 to the 8, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 308.
308. Next sum.
6 plus 9 equals 15. You give the 5 to the 9, and 6 plus 1 equals 7. So 759.
Good girl. Now, this row is your homework.
6 minus 1 equals 5. And then 6 becomes into 16. 16 minus 9 equals 7. And 5 minus 5 equals 0. So 7. So the answer is 0, 7.
Amazing. Next sum.
2 minus 1 equals 1. 6 becomes equal to 16. 16 minus 9 equals 7. 1 minus 1 equals 0.
Very
So
nice.
the answer is 7.
Very nice. Next sum.
2 minus 1 equals 1. The 0 becomes into a 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 1 minus 1 equals 4. Equals
1
0.
minus 1 is 0. Yeah. Next sum.
9 minus 1 equals 8. And 6 becomes into 16. 16 minus 9 equals 7. 8 minus 1 equals 7. So 70. The answer is 77.
Good girl.
7 minus 1 equals 6. 7 becomes into 17. 17 minus 8 equals 9. 6 minus 1 equals 5. So 59.
Good. Next.
7 minus 1 equals 6. 5 becomes into 15. 15 minus 7 equals 8. 6 minus 2 equals 4, so 48.
Next.
5 minus 1 equals 4. 6 becomes into 16. 16 minus 9 equals 7. 4 minus 4 equals 0, so 7. So the answer is 7.
Wow. Next.
7 minus 1 equals 6. 8 becomes into 18. 18 minus 9.
18 minus 9. Done all sums, dear. So, tell me the sum number. 91 minus 47 is how much? What is your answer? 91
9 minus 1 equals 8. 1 turns into 11. 11 minus 7 equals 4.
4.
And then 8 minus 4 equals 4. So the answer is 44.
Right. 11 sum.
6. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, sure.
6 minus 1 equals 5. 5 turned into 15. 15 minus 7 equals 8. 5 minus 5 equals 0, so the answer is 8.
Good. Next.
9 minus 1 equals 8, and 1 turns into 11. 11 minus 4 equals 7. 8 minus 8 equals 0, so the answer is 7.
Amazing. Now, dear, missing numbers. Do you know the table of 2, right, baby?
Hold on.
Hi, dear?
Yeah.
Yeah. In the table of 4, do you know the table of 4 also? Do you know?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. 4 times 1,
4,
4 times 2.
3, 8.
Yes. So how many times it came? 2 times, right? So I'll write here 2. Did you receive this one worksheet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now in the table of 2, how many times 4 comes?
2.
So write here 2. Now 2 times 5 is how much?
2 10. 2 times 5 equals 10.
So 10. Now in the table of 2, how many times 14 comes? Shall I help you? 2 times 1,
2,
2 times 2,
4,
2 times 3,
6,
2 times 4,
8,
2 times 5,
10,
2 times 6,
12,
2 times 7.
14,
So how many times came?
7,
So my answer is here 7. Now in the table of 2, how many times 12 comes?
6,
Amazing. 2 times 9 is how much? 2 times 9.
18,
Good girl. Now in the table of 3, how many times 6 goes? 3.
2,
Good girl. 2 times 3.
6,
In the table of 2, how many times 16, sorry. In the table of 2, how many times 16 goes?
8,
Very nice. In the table of 6, how many times 12 goes?
2,
Right. Make a little bit camera down. Krishna?
4,
Yeah, camera a little bit down. Camera a little bit down. I'm not able to see you, na? That's why. Make it little bit laptop down. Yeah, good girl. The answer is 4, right? Now, in the table of 7, how many times 14 goes?
2,
Good. In the table of 3, how many times 6 goes?
2,
Amazing. In the table of 2, how many times 16 goes?
8,
In the 2 times 2 is how much? 2 times 2.
1,
2 times 2 is how much? 2 times 1.
2,
2 times 2.
4.
So my answer is 4. Got it?
Wait, let me see.
No, it's wrong answer. 1 minute. In the table of 2, how many times 2 will go?
1,
Amazing. Right here, 1. In the table of 3, how many times 6 goes?
2,
Good. In the table of 2, how many times 6 goes?
3,
Amazing. 2 times 8 is how much?
16,
16. In the table of 4, how many times 8 goes?
2,
4 times 2 or 2 times 4? What, baby?
8,
Yes.
8,
8. Very nice. Bravo. Do you have?
yeah,
You have this one worksheet? Now see dear, do you remember last time I've told you what is the numerator and what is the denominator? Whenever you see the upper number, this is to be called numerator. What it is? Numerator. And the downward number is what?
the, the, denominator,
Denominator. Say with me. What is the upper number?
numerator,
Now tell me which one is numerator. What I will write in then here numerator as a number
1,
1. And what is the denominator?
2,
Good. Second question. What I will write it in a
4,
what I will write here?
1,
Yeah. And the denominator?
3,
Very nice. Third sum. Numerator,
1,
denominator.
4,
Okay, now tell me in this sum which is the denominator? If I
5,
Very nice. And the numerator is?
2,
Good girl. Next sum. Numerator,
5,
denominator,
6,
numerator,
3,
denominator,
8,
numerator,
2,
denominator.
7.
Now, numerator and denominator, the words are used in the topic of what? Fraction. Whenever you see the fraction, there will be written like this. 1 upon 4 or 2 upon 5 or 7 upon 8, or they can write it 9 upon 11, 13 upon 15. So in this way, if it is written, then it is to be called you are learning fractions. What you are learning? Fractions. Yeah. The numerator and denominator words are used in fraction term. Now let's take another one topic. Did you receive this worksheet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, here first we have learned what is numerator and what is denominator, right? We learned it. Now we know what is numerator and denominator. Now he is telling you, I've given you the number of numerator, I have given you the number of denominator. Now how you will write in a fraction way? What? Now how you will write in a fraction way? So tell me the first one. How I will write the first one answer?
1 upon 2.
Very nice. 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Good girl. Next one.
2 upon 3.
Next.
3 upon 4.
Next.
4 upon 5.
Next.
7 upon 8.
Next.
5 upon 9.
Very nice. Next.
9 upon 12.
Good girl. Amazing. Did you understood this topic? Now let's do it this one worksheet. 21 multiplied by 2. This is your ones and this is your tens. 2 times 1.
2.
Right here 2. Now 2 times 2.
4.
So your answer is
42.
amazing. Next sum. 2 times 2.
4.
2 times 1.
2.
Answer is
24.
good girl. 2 times 6.
12.
So 2 here, 1 up. Okay. Now 2 times 1.
2.
2 plus 1. 2 plus 1.
3.
Answer is 32.
30.
2 times 8.
16.
1, 6, 16. 2 times 2.
4.
Right. 4 here. 2 times 4.
8.
2 times 1.
2.
Good girl. 2 times 0.
0.
2 times 2.
4.
So answer is
40.
good. 2 times 6.
12.
1 up, 2 down. 2 times 2.
4.
4 plus 1. How much?
5.
Right here. 5. 2 times 1.
2.
2 times 1.
2.
Answer is
22.
good girl. Now you explain me the sum.
2 times 7 equals 14. Put 4 on the line and put 1 above 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So the answer is 54.
Good girl. Next.
2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 1 equals 2.
Good. Next.
2 times 9 equals 18.
Very nice. Next.
2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 2 equals 4.
Very nice. Next.
2 times 6 equals 12.
Very nice. Next.
2 times 3 equals 6.
Very nice. 2
2
times
times 2 equals 4. 4.
Hmm.
2 times 2 equals 4.
Very nice.
2 times 8 equals 16. Put 6 on the line and put 1 above 2.
Yes.
2 times 2 equals 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5.
Good girl.
And then put 1 on the line. So the answer is 56.
Yes. Next.
2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 2 equals 4.
Very nice.
2 times 4 equals 8.
Very nice. Good girl. Krishna is amazing. 5 times 2.
10.
Bravo. Smart, huh? Very smart.